If you're currently thinking about how to acquire more customers, the thing I want you to pay attention to is 3 key metrics. And there's one specifically I want you to look up first, and this is what is known as the total addressable market. Hey guys, it's Chris Waters. Thanks for tuning in to the coaching tip of the week. There are 3 key metrics you've got to go research and study and survey before you go down any new initiative for acquiring customers. And by the way, if this is your first time plugging into the YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down there at the bottom right-hand corner. So the 3 key metrics that I want you to be paying attention to with any new customer acquisition strategy is number 1, your total addressable market. Number 2 is your what is the actual available market that you could serve at any given point in time. And then number 3, what is the actual target market? So we're going to break those down in a series of videos, but the first one we want to talk about is the total available market. And I actually want to read for you straight from Wikipedia the definition of this. So Wikipedia says the total addressable market is a term used to reference the revenue opportunity available for a product or service. So the total addressable market helps to prioritize business opportunities by serving as a quick metric of the underlying potential of a given opportunity. So I'm going to give you guys a quick example just from in my world of things. So in the real estate industry, for example, residential real estate in Austin, Texas, there are 4,000 single-family homes. And so that is the total addressable market. But there's only a certain number of people every single month that actually raise their hand and say, hey, I want to sell my house. So for example, in any given month, there's about 4,000 people that actually raise their hand. And so the total addressable market is 400,000 single-family homes, but the actual number of homes that I could actually service that actually raise their hand every month are about 4,000. And then within those 4,000 homes, there's different segments, right? So I could go target people that, for example, they need a bigger home. They just had a baby, for example, or people that their kids graduated and they're now empty nesters and they need to downsize. That's a marketing initiative I could pursue. And so out of those 4,000 potential homes, there's only a small fraction of people, for example, that may be moving up because they had a baby, or a small fraction of people that are, looking to downsize because their kids went off to college. And so these are the 3 key metrics you need to be really thinking about. And we're going to talk more about your service, the potential serviceable market, and then dialing into what your actual target market is in the next video to come. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if this is your first time tuning into the YouTube channel, and tune in to the coaching tip of the week to come next week. Bye, everybody.